been waiting for. Yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later.
I don't do anything around here.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just
For
in
your
case.
safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Engineers in the back.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners! We need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers! Fire the harpoon! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I did something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Ow. I think I will let you tell the rules. Crunch. Oh, God. Things are getting hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Your hyperdrivers fail. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. That's going to be fun. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.